Hi, so I'm Hugo Noel, owner of CircusConcepts. I'm going to show you today the new LED Wheel 1.2K, show you the difference between the old and the new one. The version number 2 was only 28 frames per second. This one can go 250 Hertz, which is about 1,000 frames per second, I think. So it's a huge improvement. It allows you to display image when you're spinning your wheel. It also allows you to display whatever you want on your wheel. It's programmable pixel by pixel. Difference between the older and new model. The new model has 2 LED strips on each side. It's still lighting up the artist, but also lighting up the outside. I'll show you later how bright it is. There's a space hole for charging and on and off button, so you never have to dismantle the wheel. My model has it here. Some models has it on the side. And the new model has a chip inside each one of them, which holds the program inside, so it's not sent by the remote. The program is inside the wheel, so even if you lose temporary connection, you're still going to run the program. And we do have a remote that's going to keep all the sections timing together, so it actually works all at the same time. Hence, every section is independent. So if I take that section away, I can bring it around, it's still going to display the program. So there's no connection between the sections, which makes it very reliable, so when you can't pinch any cables or whatever when you assemble or disassemble the wheel. It also has, just as older model, the LED, which is incorporated in the covering with a second layer over it, so it's very easy to remove the layer, change the LED strips if you have a problem. Now, this one communicates from the router to the wheel. You can also get your laptop to communicate with the router to tell the wheel what you want to do. So as an example here, for that one, I have my program on. I just press a button, starts my program. You can see a lot of flashing LEDs, but if you start to spinning the wheel, you're going to see a little bit more than that. So there it displays patterns pre-programmed to the wheel, and I selected myself. So it's quite easy. All the patterns and the image are image-based. So there's a dedicated software that allows you to decide what you want to see in the wheel. I just took these numbers off the internet, put them on my wheel, took a few minutes, and you're all set once you understand how the wheel works. You can also do more basic patterns, just up and down, strobe. You can do some more simple one. You can do probably more trippy one, like this one, which can become very interesting if you roll the wheel one way, or roll the wheel the other way. There you go, back to the first program. If I want to stop it, I can use my remote, stop it, and that's it. As simple as that. It's made for travel in 5 pieces. To program it, I'll show you really quickly. It's a dedicated software. This is what you've just seen, just images that are converted into the software. You can choose the time, the way, and everything, and then you're all set. So that's a new LED wheel from CircusConcepts. Any questions? Feel free to ask. Thank you. Have a great one.